Hey guys, what's up? To this PHP and MySQL video series. Okay, in this video series, we are going to look about the basics of PHP and MySQL, and in the end, we are going to look about a basic project using PHP and MySQL. So, this is the first tutorial of this series, and this tutorial is purely based on installation of XAMPP server or WAMP server on your machine. So in order to run PHP in MySQL, you either need XAMPP server or WAMP server, and they can be easily downloaded from the websites, their respective websites to be specific, which is apachefriends.org or wampserver.org. It gives you the latest releases and all that stuff, and you can download it either 64-bit or 32-bit depending upon your system requirement. Fine. So I have already downloaded exam win32 and I'm going to install it. So I will double click on it and it says me. So this is the basic process for installation. I'll click next and next, and my destination folder is c/exam. So it is, I recommend you to keep this destination folder only, so it may be easier for you to understand throughout this series. Okay, or if you want to, then you can change the destination folder as well. It really depends upon you. Okay, so I will just click install, and the installation process starts. Okay, so I will pause my video for some time so that this installation takes place completely, and it will take some time. Fine. So we have completed the installation of XAMPP on Win32 machine, and by clicking the finish button, it will show me a pop-up box that it says that do you want to start the control panel now, and it offers us to uh, make a shortcut of a control panel on a desktop, and I prefer that you click yes over here. Okay, so the control panel, this is the control panel of XAMPP. Okay, and this one is the icon for it. So now you can see that there are many services over here: Apache, MySQL, FileZilla, Mercury, Tomcat, and etc. But we are not concerned with all that services now. We're just concerned with Apache and MySQL. Even MySQL is not important for now, because we are just going to deal with PHP, basic PHP now, basic PHP stuff for beginning. Okay, so let's start the Apache server. Okay, which will start our PHP, and then we will start with our local host. Okay, so in order to run PHP, you need to run on your localhost machine, because you haven't uploaded your website on your server, so you have made your own machine as a server. So XAMPP acts as a application server on your machine. So we will select English, and this proves that your XAMPP was successfully installed and your PHP is now running. So in order to test this, I will make use of my Notepad++ editor, and I will just Control N and make a new PHP file, and just write go welcome to PHP. Okay, and there are some spelling mistakes, so I hope that you can ignore all that stuff for now. And we are going to save all this stuff into our XAMPP directory, which is installed in the C drive. And in XAMPP directory, we need to specifically save all this file under htdocs folder. If you want, you can create a folder over here. So I will recommend you to create a folder over here. So I will create a new folder called as PHP-MySQL. Okay, and I will just name it to first.php. Fine. Okay, so now let's run this on a localhost machine, and what I will do is that I will just write a directory name, that is PHP-MySQL, yeah, and first.php. So it comes there, welcome to PHP. So there's some spelling mistake over there, so that's completely fine. For now, we just want to check it out, it's working or not. So alright, So it was all for this first basic tutorial for installation of on installation of PHP and MySQL. uh, I hope to see you guys next I hope to see you guys in the next tutorial, which are going to be based on the programming stuff of PHP. Okay, so that's it. Goodbye.